Hi all, welcome to my show. Yeah, happy Raksha Bandhan to all. It's a wonderful day to meet you all. So, I will prepare two dishes. Firstly, uh, keema cheese fold. Keema, obviously, it's veg keema, and I will use it soya keema, and a nice sweet dish with it. That is a Rakhi special sweet. So let's start. Okay, let me start with the ingredients. This is the veg keema we have. This is soya keema and some sweet corn, garlic, onion and green chilies. And obviously this is cheesy fold, so we have Amul cheese. And you can see the products of Amul, like we have milk, Amul milk chocolate, paneer, cheese. Always we use all these things. So for this keema fold, we will start it later because I will make another sweet that I have not opened. और एक मिठाई बनाएंगे, हाँ, तो वो है राजभोग baked खीर राजभोग. So I am preparing the kheer. You can see, just see, the kheer is almost prepared. Because Rakhi is very special, you know. Only one sweet will not do. ये जितना भी स्वीट है, आज तो ब्रदर लोगों का दिन है. So we have to celebrate their day. And all my sisters also, happy Rakhi to all. And this kheer is almost prepared. Yes, I will add this milk powder. This is Amul milk powder. I will mix the powder with it. So almost 3 dishes. So I am preparing almost 3 dishes for you. 2 sweets and 1 नमकीन. और मीठा और नमकीन, इससे ही तो राखी बनता है. Yeah, the kheer is ready. So just see what I will do. I will add this kheer to the Rajbhog. Just see the Rajbhog. The Rajbhog will be coated with this kheer. You know, kheer takes a lot of time, so I've started early. It's done. And what I have to do with a spoon, look, the Rajbhog is pampered with kheer. I think I'm audible today. You can hear me? I'm speaking loud and louder, just that you can hear me. So your foodie chef Swagata, and this is the Rajbhog kheer I have. I will put it in the oven. Just see. नहीं, खीर ऐसे दूध से बनाया, खीर राइस से नहीं बनाया. So now I will put this Rajbhog to my oven in 180 degree and for 20 minutes. We will check again. So it will become baked kheer Rajbhog. Yeah. Now we will start with keema, cheesy keema folds, right? ये नमकीन है और इसके साथ कोई भी आप चाय के साथ दीजिए या कोई कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स वगैरह. कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स I will not suggest. Obviously some drinks you can make. If you watch my shows, you can see there is lots and lots of drink recipes out there. So let me start. Already I have told, again I am telling. This is the keema I need. This is soya keema. And again this is sweet corn, garlic, onion, and this is chili, green chili कटे हुए, और ये है चीज़. And obviously I need this boiled potato. It's smashed. This kind of fry pan I have taken just to make the feelers. वो जो कीमा का जो फीलिंग होगा अंदर में, उसके लिए हम ऐसे फ्राई पैन लें और आई विल ऐड सम ऑयल टू इट. Yeah, always be sure that the water is not there, otherwise there will be problem. I am taking some olive oil and I will use the white oil for fry. I have to fry the thing. I will fry the folds, then I will need the olive oil. The onion goes in. My friends are there, I guess. Let me check. And I must say hello to all. Okay, so many friends are there. It's a nice feeling, you know. It's Raksha Bandhan Day. Namaste. And it says Umar ji, Namaste. Aisha ji, Namaste. Nitul ji, Namaste. Simran ji, hello. Okay. रजिया जी, पायल जी, शैलेश जी, रीना जी, दिग्विजय जी, मीनाक्षी जी, नमस्ते. Happy Rakhi to all. This is your foodie chef Swagata. I know you follow my Cooking is Heavenly. That's my food blog. And obviously I'm here with Amul today. And I'm doing so many shows with them. I'm in Amul Ice Cream. And I'm in Amul Bangla. Watch my shows, and obviously in this platform of Amul, I have done so many shows, and it's wonderful to be back with you all. Yeah. Razia ji, Sandhya ji, Moneshwar ji, Nitin ji, namaste. Akram ji, Amarjit Singh ji, Amarjit. कनौजिया जी, रूपश्री जी, नमस्ते. सुनीता जी, सुनीता शेट्टी जी, डीके सेन जी, हर्षित जी, नूतन जी, पेरिन जी, नमस्ते. Yeah, I will come back again. Let me cook for you. If you see my post, there is my YouTube channel with it. Yeah, with Amul has posted that. You can check and you can follow me to get my recipes and all my recipes and ingredients. Everything is there, and you can write to me at www.psychologicalways.com. You know I'm a psychologist. And this is my hobby to cook, and I really, as a chef, I'm in this platform, and I'm very happy to celebrate Raksha Bandhan with you all. Yeah. Yeah, the onion is almost done. I will cut the garlic properly. Now I will add this one. This is the garlic. Actually, onion and garlic is added to enhance the flavor. वो जो flavor उभर के आता है ना इसके लिए, because I am using this thing कीमा. So this is soya कीमा. इसका अपना कोई taste नहीं है. It doesn't have own taste. So I have to make it tasty. So I am adding this thing. I will add some salt now. Chilies, green chilies, हरे मिर्च, right? And for my Bengali friends, শুভ রাখি উৎসব, শুভ রাখি উৎসব. Now I will add the keema. Now I will add some oregano. Oregano is very easily available thing. Some red chili flakes. Just see, this is also available. And some black pepper. All this will enhance the taste. This thing will enhance the taste. So I am using all these things, all flakes. Today I am making cheesy keema fold, right? So cheesy keema folds needs this keema. Soya keema I have used, and some soya keema, some sweet corn, some chili flakes, some green chilies, garlic. These are the things I need. And lastly, when I will fold, I will add the cheese. Cheese will goes with the fold, because if you put the cheese early, it will be messy. And another thing I will use, that is this potato. This is boiled and smashed potato I will use. This is आलू बॉइल्ड है और स्मैश्ड है. कितना सुंदर खुशबू आ रहा है. Yeah, the smell is coming. It's heavenly, you know. Cooking is heavenly. So it's nice smell and nice aroma is coming. And when you will prepare, you are going to observe this same thing. And it's a lovely feeling when you cook for others and when you just prepare things. Like today is Raksha Bandhan, mainly the days for our brothers, and I wish my sisters also a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Nowadays it's a problem, you know, brother stays somewhere and sister stays somewhere. It's all online, so I am preparing for all the brothers. Wish you all good health and be happy in life, and keep the good feeling and spread it. This see, it's almost done. The feelers are almost done. So I will lit another gas where the oil will be ready for the folds. And let me tell you about the kheer. That the kheer I have prepared with that is Rajbhog kheer. It's this Rajbhog kheer is the kheer I prepared with 1 liter milk and 2 cups of sugar goes in, and 1 cup of Amul powder. And it takes a lot of time. You need some patience to prepare the kheer. And Rajbhog is very easily available. Rajbhog or Rasgulla, whatever you say, it's very easily available. And just in a baking tray, I set the Rajbhogs and I pour the kheer, and then it is in 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. It's for baking time. So actually you will get my kheer Rajbhog preparation in Amul itself. Yeah, and you have my YouTube channel, you can check, you will get every details. Now I am adding the corn. The sweet corn I always add lastly because sweet corn goes messy. If you just add the sweet corn early, it's not good because it has its own texture and you need to add it lastly. So it will not get messy and you will feel the crunch of sweet corn. It's done. The feeding, the keema is all set, and now I need the sheets. This is the folding sheets. ये हम कैसे बनाएं? ये कुछ नहीं है, जैसे आप पूरी बनाते हैं, जैसे हम लोग लूची बनाते हैं, इट्स सिमिलर. इट्स ये क्यों पहले से why I've done it early, because I need this stiffness to fold this. This is just like the puri. It's all-purpose maida, 1 teaspoon oil, and with the water, the way we make the dough for puri or luchi, that's the same. And then you have to just do like this in this shape, or in other shape also if you want to. So just see, now I will add the filling to the folds. Yeah. Don't take much filling. ज़्यादा नहीं लेना है, थोड़ा इतना ही लेना है जितना ये कैरी कर सके. So I will add the cheese now. This is Amul cheese. Yeah. This is the fold. Just see. Yeah. You have to seal this so that nothing comes out. Be careful with it. Seal this part. Yeah. It's done. Just see. This looks so nice. Seal this thing. Yeah. Yeah, another done. Let us fry this too.